How you can have the blank name in your TikTok account. So let's start. So firstly you have to go into your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to go in the search and you have to search for the blank character. Now you have to click on this first link of the compart uplus blank Unicode character, and from here you have to copy this first character, and after that you just have to go back once you copy it and you have to go into your TikTok. Now you have to click into your profile and go in the edit profile. From here you have to go in the name or the username that you want to change and simply select it. Now you just have to paste that Unicode that you previously copied and simply save the changes. Now you have to confirm the update name and you are able to have the blank name into your TikTok account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.